how to fix your AirPods keeps disconnecting. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? So the first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and check your battery. If you have low battery, this can cause disconnects. Make sure that both AirPods and the case have enough charge. If that is not the case, you want to keep your device within the range of about 30 feet to 10 meters and avoid obstacles like walls or metal objects. If that is still not the case, you want to go to settings and Bluetooth and turn Bluetooth off, wait 10 seconds and turn it back on. That should go ahead and fix your problem. If it still doesn't, then you want to try forgetting your device. Simply go to settings and Bluetooth, and right beside the device, you can simply go ahead and tap on the eye icon and forget the device. If that is still not working, you want to put your AirPod in the case, open the lid and press and hold the setup button for 15 seconds until the light flashes white, which is going to reset your AirPods. If none of it works, try cleaning your mesh and contacts using a dry soft brush or cotton swab. At the end, if nothing works, you want to simply take it to your nearest Apple store. I hope this video clarifies